Hi, my friend, Sam Villa here. Are you attending the Premier Orlando show? If you are, I want you to join Jesse Linares and I on Sunday, October the 17th from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. as we tag together, guys, for a special student-focused class. Now, this class is meant for anyone, yet at the moment, it's all about this effortless and low maintenance when it comes to these lived-in cuts and this concept of finishing in today's world. So now I want you to understand this whole idea behind a student focused class, this really allows us to set up the students because they are the rainbows of the future. So Jesse and I in this class, what we're going to do is we're going to keep it simple. So I want you to understand how to achieve an end result in a simple way. That's what we primarily want you to walk away with in this class. Now, all I'm simply going to do is take an elastic here, and I'm just going to place it and make a ponytail here towards the end. Now, you're going to walk away with these finishing techniques that incorporate these approachable braids, these ponytails that are simple, that create value, knots, and more. Now, what's so simple by doing this just allows me to swing this up and where I want it. And now all I got to do is just place the pin in right where I want it, slide in the hair, and I am set to go with eliminating that hair. That's how simple it is to achieve a simple finish, guys. Now, Jesse wants you to walk away with this whole idea of the craft of layering. And he wants to share with you a simple way to create multi-layered looks while incorporating different tools. So join Jesse and I for a fun time as it's all about the fundamentals as simplicity is today's brilliance. So we'll see you at the Orlando Premiere Show, October the 17th and 18th, 2021. See you there.